Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw capital letters, alphabets A to Z and numbers 1 to 10. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Red color, yellow color, sky blue color, black color, green color, dark blue color. Kids, now you draw alphabets. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. And U is red color. D for dog. E for elephant. It's now you draw F. The alphabets of F and U is yellow color. F for fish. G for guard. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. It's now you draw J. The alphabets of J and use sky blue color. J for joker. K for king. L for lion. M for moon. N for nose. Kids, now you draw O. The alphabets of O and use black color. O for octopus. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rose. Kids, now you draw S. The alphabets of S and use green color. S for sun. T for teacher. U for umbrella. V for vine. Kids, now you draw W and use dark blue color. W for well. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra. Kids, now you draw numbers. And first you draw 1 and use red color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kids, now you draw 6. The numbers of 6 and use yellow color. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.